Selling your home? Wondering how to show it off in the best light when you actually have it on the market and ready to have buyers tour it? Well, the number one thing you want to do is make it light and bright. So that means turning on all the lights, even if it's a sunny day, and opening all the window treatments. Quickly pick up anything that's on your bathroom counter or kitchen counter. You want a clean, nice surface, and then make sure the house smells good. You know, lighting a little gingerbread candle or popping in some chocolate chip cookies in the oven right before you leave so the house smells really good is a great tip. If you don't have time for that and you have an orange or a lime or lemon, slice it up, grind it up in your garbage disposal, and the house is going to smell citrusy and fresh. So those are my top tips when you're showing a house. Beth Jaworski with Shore West Realtors. If you found this helpful, please share with a friend.